Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Microsoft Azure for web apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure Microsoft Azure for web apps, start by signing into your Azure account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Azure website. Once logged in, navigate to the Azure portal. In the Azure portal, locate the Create a Resource button on the left sidebar. Click on it to open the resource gallery. In the search bar, type web app and select it from the list. Now, click on the Create button to start setting up your web app. Fill in the subscription information if prompted. Next, choose or create a new resource group for your web app. Resource groups help organize related Azure resources. In the Instance Details section, enter a unique name for your web app. Select the desired publish option, usually code for most beginners. Choose your preferred runtime stack, such as .NET, PHP, Node.js, or Python. Select the operating system for your web app. For basic needs, you might choose Windows for compatibility. In the region dropdown, select the closest region to your target audience. Pick a plan under the App Service Plans section. You can create a new plan or select an existing one. Consider the pricing tier based on your expected traffic and resource needs. Configure the scaling options if necessary. Now, review all the settings you have chosen to ensure they are correct. After verifying, click on the Review plus Create button. Once all validations pass, click on the Create button. Azure will now start deploying your web app, which may take a few moments. Once deployment completes, navigate to your web app from the dashboard. You will see a default landing page confirming your new web app is live. To manage your web app, use the Settings section to configure scaling, monitoring, and more. Feel free to explore additional features such as custom domains and SSL certificates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.